Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we are going to create this beautiful animation in After Effects. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So we'll start by creating a new composition. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a background to this composition. So let's create a solid layer, and then what we are going to do is we are going to go into effects, search for gradient ramp, and then we are going to apply the gradient lamp onto our solid background. Okay. Now we are going to change the shades like so. Now that we are done with our background, we are going to recompose this. Solid PG for background. Now we are going to add a text. So you can add any text here. I'll call it fluid, and then I'll align this to the center. Now we are going to recompose our text layer as well. Call it text. So now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to select both these compositions and then recompose them again and call it text with background. So inside the project, we'll just rename this composition as final animation. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add effect that will give the liquid animation. So we'll go into effects again and search for Mercury, and then drag it and drop it onto our text with background composition. Now let us start changing the values of the property. So for radius X, we'll change the value to 300, radius Y 400, change the birth rate to 0.8, longevity we'll keep it 2, gravity change it to 2, resistance we'll change it to 2, and then animation we'll change it to fractal explosive. Now we are going to change the blob birth size to 5 and blob death size to 1. So now if I just move this indicator, you can see our animation is already happening here. Okay, so now we need to get rid of this black portion, and we need to replace this black with our actual original text with background. Okay, we are going to do that by going into project, and then we are going to just select the text with background composition and drag it into our composition. So there we go. So now let us play this. So guys, this is how you create this beautiful animation in After Effects. So hope you liked this video. If you did like the video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, have a good day.